Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Instagram comments. So for some reason Instagram makes it really hard to find out how to delete your comments, but I'll show you how to do exactly that in this video today. So first things first, go to Instagram, and as you can see on this post right here, I have a comment. But there's no way for me to delete it no matter what I do. If I try to hold it or swipe left on it, I can't do anything to delete it. So what you're going to have to do is go to your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you go to it, click on the three bars in the top right corner. And once you click on that, click on your activity, which is right beneath the settings option. So the second one down. Once you click on that, click on interactions, which is the third option down. Once you click on that, click on comments. And at comments, you should see all the comments that you've posted. Find the one that you want to delete and click select in the top right corner. Once you click that, you can click on the comment that you want to delete. And if you click delete on the bottom of the screen, then you can delete your comment. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to answer them, and I will see you guys next time.